Hello, good morning. This is Wasim Hassan. I hope you will be fine, shine like a star. Today we discuss about how to make money online. There is different ways, more than 25 ways you can utilize and earn money through online. The first method is freelance. Make money through websites such Upwork, Fiverr, and freelance.com. These sites offer many opportunity. You can avail them, and you can say there is huge variety available in these websites, such as writing program, learning problem, designing, marketing, data entry, and being a virtual assistant. Fluent is the second language. Check sites such as and other translator or done business through sites of your own. And no matter what kind of freelance you do, keep track of the going rate for the kind of work provide, so you charging too much and too little. It's up to you. It's depend upon your skills, your quality and abilities. uh, there is no essential requirement. The first the time requirement, it's up to you. You can deliver 10 hours, 8 hours. It's an online job. You can easily earn the maximum money online. uh, there is some restriction is available. The age limit is more than 13, and payment method is different. You can deliver through account, and further personal requirement I will share you. Upwork will approve your profile within 24 hours, but keep in mind it's time to land your first freelancing gig. Payment varies sites. Upwork, you are paid after client review the work 10 days after the billing period ends. Or Fiverr, you are paid when the work order is complete, but you can't withdraw funds for another 14 days. There's a limitation is available. Second thing is text, website, and app. Another way to make money from home in on sites like usertesting.com, very effective websites. You can paid of your thoughts on how to well certain website or app work. You have to pass a short test to steps. You will be paid $10 for 20-minute test, which involves recording and answering for follows written questions. You can earn $120 to $300. Participate in the video conversation with the customer after your test. The total time requirement, approval time day can vary, and age factories also include more than 18 years. Payment speed 7 days. This is very effective, and the most common product is you can easily sold your products Amazon. Amazon is very initial and informative websites. Even in the age of automotive, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource the job via service like Amazon, Mechanical Turk as a worker. The task you will have assigned be to just tagging image, translation, video, classified CFs, and can be everywhere. It is very effective for you, and it's depend upon the task and choice how to start easily. You have multi skills person. Age limit is 18 plus. The payment method is 30 days. I hope this video is very informative for you. Please join and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.